Hello guys, welcome to C Learning with new video. In this video we will learn about how to install a FortiClient VPN in Windows 10 and any version. So first of all, go on support.fortinet and then in website. So I will share this link with you. So here is a step-by-step process how to install FortiClient VPN. So first of all, you go here in FortiCloud website and then go in support and then firmware downloads. In firmware downloads, you will select your product. So we will select the FortiClient because we want to uh, download the FortiClient, and then you will go in the latest version. So just go here in latest versions in downloads, and then you will see here the different versions. So you have to select the FortiClient tools. So select this, and then if you click in HTTPS, then you will able to download uh, the file. So after downloading, so I have downloaded this file here. So after downloading, just extract this file. After extracting this file, just go here inside the file. You will see some uh, this type of windows. So you have to install the FortiClient VPN. So just go here in online installer, and there you select the FortiClient VPN installer. If you double click on this, so you will it will run the script, ask you permission, and then it will install. So I have already installed. So after installing, just open this. You will see this type of a logo. Just open, and then you can set up a new connection, add a new connection. Here you will select either you are using for SSL VPN or IPsec VPN. So in our last video we use it for IPsec VPN. Here you will name the connection any name. You can write it here, and then you have to select the gateway where you want to want access to go access, and here you will select the pre-shared key. After pre-shared key, if you save, and then it will give you something like this. After that you have to log in your username and password and then connect. So you will able to connect the uh, FortiClient VPN. Then you will able to connect through the tunnel. So this is how we can install the FortiClient VPN and connect the FortiClient VPN. Hope you like the video. Thank you very much.